So today I'm going to be running you through how to do a software reset on a Nextbase 2 Series Dashcam. Now this will work on the 322, 422, 522 and the new 622. All of the interface is pretty much the same, so it'll work on any of those. So this is the normal state you'll see your Dashcam in. Alright, it's recording currently. Now, to get to the settings menu, you have to stop the Dashcam recording. And you do that by pressing this on the little sort of touch screen here, which is flashing on and off. That's in the recording mode. So tap on that and you'll see some more settings pop up. So the one that we're interested in here is the settings cog up by here. So tap on that and this will bring you into the settings menu. So from here you can do many things, but here's what we want to do for the software reset. This will basically take it as though you have just taken it out of the box and are setting it up for the first time. So let's go over now to setup and then swipe with your finger until you can see keep user settings. This is the one that we want to actually tap on. On here you select off and then you select OK. Now once you've done that, you'll see default settings here in the bottom right hand corner. Select that. And then you want to select this yes cog here. Right, this will set it right back to defaults. Now all you need to do is select OK. And the Dashcam will now restart. As you can see, it's back there straight up into the how you took it out of the box for the first time. So this you just need to go through all of the settings here to make sure you're happy with them and then connect your Dashcam back to the phone. I hope this has helped. Bye-bye.